Pandemic COVID-19 outbreak brought us on one scale where we have to pursue ahead with digital education. So hereby once again we have assembled and warmly welcome you all in new phase of learning. भारत, उसकी विविधता, उसकी विविधताओं से भरी अर्थव्यवस्था, India incredible, diversified in resources and its economics. So regional and religious diversity of India is blessed with resources. So in today's session we will analyze the economics and economy. Economics is a subject which deals with the management and its utilization of resources in a judicious way. And economy is one of the ecosystem and surroundings where the resources have been found and discovered. So these two are connected to each other. ये एक दूसरे से जुड़ते हैं. अर्थव्यवस्था और अर्थव्यवस्था के जुड़े संसाधनों का एक समीकरण वातावरण में. It marks us with a phase. So we will discuss it today. Economics, a subject matter which deals with the economic problems related to human life. It is in management of a resource in a judicious way where we can use it in the optimal utilization. Optimal utilization means the best use. Resource means your means, आपके पास आपके उपलब्ध संसाधन. एंड इकोनॉमिक्स एक ऐसा सब्जेक्ट जो उस सब्जेक्ट्स को मैनेज कर दे जो आपके रिसोर्सेज की प्रॉब्लम है. इकोनॉमिक प्रॉब्लम इज रिलेटेड टू द प्रॉब्लम ऑफ चॉइस, चुनना हमारी सारी जरूरियात और संसाधन और उसका बेस्ट यूज. इट हैज अ टू कॉजेस व्हाई वी हैव टू मेक अ चॉइस, because the resources are limited and they have a scarce and unlimited wants are there and every resource marks the alternative use. एक संसाधन है और उसके बहुत सारे uses हैं, so that we have to choose. Dear scholars, once again we have assembled and this time it's the pandemic COVID-19 outbreak classes where I'm going to discuss your new subject that has been introduced to you, that is economics. And today we will analyze this word. And this economics word will be analyzed with you, and hereby I am referring it to the understanding concept of yours, and that refers to subject. Why this subject have been introduced? This have been introduced because we have resources and their supply is limited. And they have the limited supply which marks you with the identity of scarcity. Resources are limited and their supply leads to scarcity because it marks you with the word alternative use. And this alternative use means to say you have resources which has multiple uses. So economics एक ऐसा subject है that introduce you with the resource, and resource have to be management. And this will bring one A concept, and that's said to be art. We will write A. So the resources management have to be done in economics, as resources have limited supply, alternative use, and leads to scarcity. Alternative use means to say multiple use. So this is first phase why the economics have been introduced to you, and now hereby we are concluding for the first phase. Then we will meet for the next phase. So till then, let's get assembled for the next session. After having a board presentation, now it's time to see how this chart can be evaluated. Unlimited wants है, resources की scarcity के लिए सबसे बड़ा cause है. Because the resources have a limited supply and scarcity means kami, and due to which crisis occurs, and this crisis leads to shortage because of our unlimited wants and alternative use of resources, and the abundant supply has a limit. So we mark the choices, and these choices are classified as what to produce, for whom to produce, and how to produce. And this marks you with one phase: limited resource, unlimited wants, and ultimate optimal utilization of resources to solve the problem of scarcity. So do now have a look. Now again we have a symbol, and this time I'm connecting you with the second phase. Second phase means to say economics. So then we have resource which we have to manage. Resources are of three types: physical, natural, and your financial. And this will going to connect you with the word resource. So the physical resource are human being. Physical resource will be human being. Natural resource will be your coal. Financial resource will be your money. So we have to manage in economics these resources. And hereby, so this is first phase, extension. What is resource? Resource. Resource means any means of, you can say, pure helpful for production. For production. And that will account to resource. Resource can be physical. It will mark you with the identity of physical. Then it can mark you identity of natural. That could be a financial. अगर physical resource है तो वो human being है. So here we will mark resource में आपका क्या आएगा? Consumer, producer, etc. Consumer. If natural, then given by nature. Example coal. You can give example land, etc. Financial. Financial means money oriented. Financial means money oriented. And this money oriented means to say कि आपकी price. So this is your first phase extension, second class of first phase, which will talk about resources and its type. Now the question arises, why the economics have been introduced as only for resource management? No, it has more expansion of it. Resource management is a part, and now we will check it out what is the further classification of it. After having all the presentations of boards and PowerPoints, it's all time to say goodbye to each other. Hereby we are parting our ways with a promise to see each other again for the next session, because this is first phase and still lots to come. The resources are ample and they have delivered us with abundant, but it marks one development which talks about sustainable development, where we have to pursue the development activities and goals without making any compromise with the future generation requirements. So hereby we are concluding with this point. See you again soon.